is the fuel shut off. Up here is idle cut off, or low idle, and this is high idle. This controls your prop.
This is fuel shut off?
Yep. And your fuel lever. This is low idle, this is high idle. This controls your prop. We're in feather right now. See the blades?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, when we go all the way forward, then it's biting. Then this is your throttle. You push up like that. That's like for takeoff power or cruise power. And it's not rigged properly, because when I go in reverse, it should be blowing a lot of air that way, and it's really not rigged properly. It will go a little bit into reverse.
Alright. That's kind of jerry rigged, ain't it? Kinda.
Miller called it something else.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, imagine that.
You can only imagine. All clear.
Oh, we got guys standing there.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said all clear.
Clear! We're looking at an oil leak. We all stand on that side?
Look clear over there.
Clear.
Clear.
Battery full pump. At 20%, I'm going to throw the fuel into it, or 15 to 20%. Okay, start to turn. It's 10%. Watch your EGT is going down because we're running some air through the engine. That's a lot right here. Yeah, he'll move it.